Hey guys, so I'm back with a new machine. This one is the 2-option one with Kitkats and Yorks, and as you can see, this one is pretty large. It's the first big one I've built in a while, and there are two payment methods where you can buy them each individually for 30 cents, or you can buy them both for 50 cents. And I was gonna call this my ultimate machine because the mechanism is probably the most complicated one I've built, but I'm still not going to because there are better ones out there on YouTube, and I'd like to think I'd build something better than this in the future. And other than that, I hope you enjoy. So this machine only accepts dimes and quarters, so pennies and nickels are rejected, as you can see here, and they fall out into the tray at the side there. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the Kitkat. So here on the display it says you need 3 dimes, so I'm just going to put 3 in. After that, you can just push and pull the bar and you'll receive your Kitkat. Now I'm going to show you the York, so just slide the bar to the side to select it, and then you can put in 3 dimes. After that, once again just push and pull the bar and you'll receive your York. Now I'm going to show you buying them both at once. So here on the display it says you can buy them both for 2 quarters. So just insert 2 quarters. Then, as usual, just push and pull the bar. And then you receive a Kitkat and a York. To refill the machine, there are some reloading towers where you can just put the candy in. For the owner to get the coins, there are trays on the sides and back of the machine that can be opened by a key in order to collect the coins. I'll be showing the mechanism in a different video because I don't want to take apart the machine just yet, not because I want more views or anything. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my future videos. And other than that, thanks for watching and bye.